Yeah, guys. So in the previous session, we are created one project, and we are created some requirement. We are creating one epic, okay, and we are created user stories, and we are mapping some hierarchy, and under the user story, we are writing some description, right? Am I right or not? So could you please open that login functionality of Red Bucket, Raj? Open that. Yeah. So see, so what is the sprint of this user story? Please click on unmute, Raj.
Sprint 12, sir.
Yes, sprint 12, right? So which is
Print
sprint?
also, yes, sir.
Sprint 12. So what is the epic? We are giving some link below, related link. We are attaching some epic hierarchy, right? Right. So see, so now what we are going to do next? Please remove. Click on remove. Click on remove. Hi Raviteja. Click on remove. Yeah, please click on into symbol.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So just a slight move to ready for refinement. Slight move. The user story, put on the cursor. No. Cursor put on the user story and then move to right side. No, put
Okay,
on,
sir.
yes, below. Click on verify the login, right?
Third one. Based on what you wrote.
First one. Yeah, move right side.
Okay.
Yes, good. So
Okay, sir.
refinement means the refine whenever this is the sprint planning meeting. Okay. This is a sprint planning meeting. Who will conduct the sprint planning meeting? Sprint planning meeting is conducted by the Scrum Master under the presence of product owner. Okay. So what exactly happening? This is the refinement call, right? This is the refinement call. So click on user story. So this refinement call is conducted by the Scrum Master. Click on that. Open the user story. Click on that. Yeah. So write the discussion below. Come to the discussion board below. Yeah. As per the team discussion, right under that, as Scrum Master writing like this. Okay. As per the team discussion. Okay. Dev point of view. Dev point of view. User story points giving 5.
Sir, user story points.
User story points giving 5. And QA point of view. 5. And QA point of view also we are giving 5. QA point of view also giving 5 points. Also giving 5 points. 5 points. Yeah, please copy this one. Oh, no, don't write. Yes. CC. Come down, enter, click on enter. CC. Yeah. Come down. At the rate. So who will write this one? Scrum Master, right? Okay. Scrum Master is asking to dev team. Dev team, how many points you are giving? QA team, how many points you are giving? Dev team tell like, so I need 5 days. QA team tell like, I need 5 days. Okay. So this way we are calculating. This way the Scrum Master PO is calculating. So who will create this user story? Who will create PO? Previously, who will create this user story? PO, right? So who will giving points? Dev team and QA team. With whom under? PO under. Right? So Scrum Master is writing like this. Write PO at the rate PO. At the rate PO. Comma. Don't give space at the rate to P. Yeah. Backspace. Yes. Comma. @PO, comma, @dev, @dev, comma. Don't give space. Yeah, comma. @QA, 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 comma, @PM, PM. Yeah, save and close. So first step is happening like this. Okay, you people are, so tomorrow you people are write this entire thing. Okay, next to move to third slides, move to right side. Move to right side. Yes. Right. In the ready for development stage, what exactly happening? Developer will assign their name. For example, I am a developer. I want to take this user story. I want to assign my name. Click on that. Click on that. Open again. Yeah. So no one is not selected. See, in the first line, verify the login functionality of the red bucket. Under the we have the no one not selected. Go up. Go up. Yeah, under the yes, select that one. Yeah, V and Raj. Yes. So developer assign their name. Save and close. Save and close. Okay. Next, move to right side. Development in progress. This phase, what exactly happening? Developer developing the code. Developer writing the code here. Please open that. Open that. Yeah. Go to the discussion again. Yeah. Here, developer, what exactly telling? Hi, junior, hi, senior developer, right? Hi, senior developer. Hi, senior developer. I written code for login functionality. I written code for the login functionality. Could you please look on this? Could you please look on this? Could you please look on this? Yeah. Enter. Enter. Branch name. Code branch name, right? Code branch name. Name. Column. Space. Hashtag. Hash. Hash symbol. Hash. Yes. Hash. 786. 283.1. Okay. In this branch only developer returning the code. In this branch. In this branch only developer returning the code. Enter. Click on enter. CC. Enter. CC. Yeah. Yeah. Please mention. Please mention. SM, PO, SM, Scrum Master, PO, Senior Developer, and QA. And QA. Don't give the space senior to developer. And QA. QA, right? QA.
Sir, in below Zoom tab is there, sir. Okay, sir.
QA, right? QA.
Okay, sir.
Save and close. Remove this. Remove this one. Yeah. See. So, see. Please observe what exactly happening in each and every phase. Okay. What exactly happening in each and every phase? Please find out. What the ready for refinement column is doing, what the ready for development is doing, what the development in progress what is doing. Next, go to the peer review. Move to right side. Yeah. Yeah. See, open that. Open that. Yeah. Right. Discussion again. Discussion again. Right. Hi, junior developer. So in the real time, we are not mentioned senior, junior. In the real time, we have the names, right? In the real time, we have the names, right? Yeah, I junior developer. I reviewed the code. Everything is looks good. Looks good. QA people, please start testing on it. Yeah. Enter reviewed branch code 786. Previously, we have that branch name, right? Reviewed branch code. Please mention branch name. 786, 280 something previously we written it. Hashtag, please mention hashtag is the mandatory. Yeah. Hashtag. Yeah. And go to add tag is there, right? Please see add tag above. Add tag.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Click on that. Right. Reviewed branch. Hashtag 786.283.1. Whenever developer mention this branch, at the time only we can confirm. Yeah, the code is deployed into dev to QA. 283.1. Save and close. Save and close. Yeah. Remove this one. Click on remove this one. Yeah. Move to right side. Move to right side. Yeah. So this is our phase. Okay. Previously we did some work. That is not our work. This is our work. This is the QA. Ready for QA is our work. So how we are doing in the real time? So you, for example, tomorrow we have the work where we can see we are able to see this one only. Azure Devops, we are going to the ready for QA and assigning our name. Please remove that name, VN Raju. You can take some other name. For example, we don't have any name. Why? Because you are the single one. We are doing the dummy, right? So this is a single one, right?
Yeah.
So for example, we can assume. And next go to QA in progress. QA in progress. Don't mention anything because of we don't have any names. Only single name is there, right? Go to right side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is our work. These two steps are our work. Okay. We can take the user story. We will assign our name. Then verify login functionality of red bucket is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Click on right. Click on three dots. Click on three dots. Yeah. Under right, click on add task. Add task. Add task. Yeah. QA test. QA test. QA test. Yeah. Come out. Come out. Yeah. Next go to another one. Another one. Next, click on three dots. No. Here we don't have any work. Just we are starting.
Okay.
Raj, why you are moving to another field? Three dots. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Testing. Add test. Add test. Click on add test. Yeah. Test cases for login functionality of red bucket, right? Test
Yes, sir.
cases for login functionality of red bucket. Okay, red bucket. Okay, come out. Yeah. So today we are end with this session. Okay, because of you people are have the 10 user stories. You can write each and everything. So you people have tomorrow a lot of work. Okay, tomorrow we can resume our work at how to write the test cases, how we are doing, how the QA people doing the testing, how we will executing the test cases, how we will raise the bug. Tomorrow we will discuss. Okay. Today we are ending with the session.